So guys, after registration process will complete check. This is the latest announcement of this platform, and now you can check VIP section. You can check I have already purchased VIP1. My per day income is 1.3 USD, and you can check VIP2. Their price 128 USD and per day income is 17.4 USD. And you can check VIP3. Their price 168 USD and per day income is 39 USD. So you can check all VIP level, their price, and also daily income. So guys, now know about the deposit, how to deposit. So you need to click the deposit and copy this address, and then go to your cryptocurrency wallet. This is my wallet. So now you need to click the USD button, send button, paste the address, click the next button and fill up your rechargeable amount. After recharge done, you need to click the recharge complete button, and here you can see my recharge is already done. So guys, now know about the task photos. You need to click here and click the go to finish button, and here you can see my first order is done. So guys, you need to repeat this process again and again. So guys, you can check my total task is done. So guys, now know about the withdraw process, how to withdraw. So guys, now know about the team section. This is the second way of earning. So you need to copy this address and share your friend in public. If your friend join and recharge, so you can get very good profit and get very good commission. You can check team section. There are 3 level team: level 1, level 2, level 3. So guys, you can make your own team and get very good profit and get very good commission. Now you can check this is the help section, and so guys, now know about the withdraw process, how to withdraw. So guys, this is a very easy process. You need to click the withdraw button, and then you need to put your withdrawable amount. My withdrawable amount is a 3.9 USD, and here you need to paste the address and password. So now you need to click the confirm button, and here you can see my withdrawal is successful done. So guys, withdrawal time is 1-2 minutes. I'm waiting 1-2 minutes. Okay. And guys, here you can see this is I have received 3.9 USD. This is the live withdraw proof of this platform. So guys, why also let's show this platform link in my description box. So let's go and click the registration link and use this platform. And here you can see this is the transaction details, finance record, and this is the withdrawal record. So guys, this is a great website. So guys, this platform link in my description box. So let's go and click the registration link and use the platform. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.